Oh my god, a lot of you guys have not seen any of my videos since, and I'm so tired, but it is going to be an error that I don't post a video today. Anyways, let's just about Vibe with Sonia, okay? Vibe with Sonia brands and so on and so forth. I know a lot of people will be expecting, oh, come and grow on YouTube, come and do this. I'm not talking about YouTube today. Let's talk about personally, about myself, okay? So what have I been up to since? I got some gadgets anyways. I did a review about them and I'm going to be posting it. You guys are going to be seeing it in my lifestyle channel, right? And guys, let me show you these things because I know that this thing is actually going to help a lot, especially content creators. If you find it difficult to create a weekly timetable for yourself, you can actually use this. It's definitely going to help you on YouTube to be able to get things done. The beautiful part about this is you can rule your 1 week plan. If you just want to be doing every single week, rule your 1 week plan, or if you want to be doing your daily plan. So me, what I do basically is daily I will just be writing out what I want to do like a night before. Let's say today evening, I'll just write what I want to achieve on my YouTube channel the next day, the posting, editing, whatever I want to do. And the beautiful part of this thing is, see, once you just click here like this, everything that you write will be erased. And you can write on this with your normal pen, which is this your normal pen. Can you guys see it? So you don't even need this one, which is the pen that it comes with, in case where this one go lost, where you come the fear say, what if this one lost, how will I write? You can write with your normal pen, okay? And once you write with your normal pen, all you need to do to edit, to delete is just like this. This will be good for your YouTube channel. You can even write with your hand, like you can write with anything sharp that you can just screw on it. Like this is my nails just screwing on it, and yeah, and this one will still help your picking, you understand? Now what have I been up to since morning? Immediately I came back from getting some of the things I went to get, I started teaching Destiny because her channel will soon get to 1,000 subscribers and the monetization is coming close. I've been grooming that channel for God knows how long. So because initially I opened a face channel for her, but from that face channel I have to convert it to a faceless channel. She's doing something simple that can be easy for, especially because she go to school. So I wanted her to just be doing that faceless channel so that she don't think so much or stress so much on what kind of content will she generate and so on and so forth. And I'm so proud of her this afternoon because at least she did like 3 videos very well. Like just today she has done 3 videos, she has uploaded 2 and she's planning to upload the last one, and she's learning really fast. And I also opened a Facebook page for her as well, so that as she's uploading here, she's also uploading on her Facebook page. And guys, guess what I did? I just dashed off my 500 naira. So I gave her 500 and she was so happy. That's just to keep her motivated, you understand? So basically what we are going to be doing is Saturdays she is going to be uploading like up to 10 to even 15 videos. Why for her normal days, which is when after school days, she will rest and then maybe probably just upload 2 or 3. Then Sunday as well, 10 to 15, and we are just going to be getting somewhere from here. I just wanted her to start making money on her own, and I wanted her to start getting some small coins. Like I'll open once I want to monetize the channel for her. Like as I said, the subscribers very soon, I think is over 800 subscribers or so, and then the watch hour we have over 2,000 already. But I know that she can do it if she keep doing this back to back uploading. She's going to monetize with a different Google AdSense account. Guys, as I'm talking to you guys, my phone is about to go off, so I need to detach this mic and plug my phone. How come my phone? So since this is already here, okay, I will have to just stop without the mic. You see why I'm telling you that? Oh, don't stress me, please. I'm having a partial touch here. This video is going to be anyhow and I'm going to upload it. You see why I'm always telling you that open a channel for your children, your kids. Just look for something that you feel like is going to be very, very comfortable with them. Let them just be doing something, you understand? Anyways, this charger is really giving me headache. So what I will just do is I'll end this live, or I'll end this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Okay guys, bye for now. Just start making money and thank me later. Let's just go and upload this video like that for today. Motivational video for you guys.